how to create AI-generated voices that sound real, no coding. Why this topic? 1. AI-generated voices are trending, especially for content creators. 2. People want to create realistic AI voiceovers for YouTube, podcasts, and audiobooks. 3. This requires no coding, making it accessible to everyone. Now let me show you in details on how to create those AI voices just from simple texts. So stick around and watch the full video. Write whatever you want to convert to voice, just like how I'm doing in this video. By the way, this is text-to-speech OpenAI that you're watching right now.
Text-to-speech. 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 OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform. Text-to-speech OpenAI works by combining natural language processing, machine learning, and
This is a free AI that generates text-to-speech. This is an example of it. This is text-to-speech OpenAI. Isn't it interesting? The AI generated whatever I just wrote in front of you. Now let's see the second AI that you can use apart from this.
In the enchanted forest, where shadows dance,
In the enchanted forest.
In the enchanted forest.
In the enchanted forest. This is the second AI that converts text to speech. This is Murph AI. This is the second AI that converts text to speech. This is Murph AI. This is how you can generate AI voice for whatever purpose you might need. Look the way I've integrated a voice into this video you're watching right now.
Let me show you another AI that you can use to create realistic AI voiceovers for YouTube, podcasts, and audiobooks.
In today's video, we're going to take a look at how building a strategic onboarding process for new hires improves employee retention beyond their first year and boosts employee performance in the long run.
Hey, how's it going? I appreciate you clicking on my voice.
Hey, how's it?
Hej, jak się masz? Ach, teoria uczenia maszynowego rzuca nowe...
Hey, how are you going? So, what are you up to today? I'd love to chat and catch up, you know?
Hey, how you doing? I'm always here to chat if you need me.
Hey, how's it going? I appreciate you clicking on my voice. So, you wanted to chat?
Hey, how are you going? So, what are you up to today? I'd love to chat.
So, this is the third AI that I was talking about. This is Play AI. By now you have already seen 2 AI tutorial on how to use these AI voice generators. You can use any voice generator you wish to and create realistic AI voiceovers for YouTube, podcasts, and audiobooks, just like I've done in this video that you're watching right now. This video is the best example of these AI voice generators and their capability to add magic to your videos. If you've learned something new, do subscribe to the channel to keep us motivated to bring these type of interesting videos related to tech, how-to, artificial intelligence, secret tips, tricks, and many more. See you in the next upcoming video. I hope that you've already subscribed by now. Take care.